together. Puro pinche. Puro pinche. That's what the fuck I'm talking about. How the fuck we doing tonight? Make some motherfucking noise! Hell yeah. It's a fucking honor to be here. Thank you for fucking having us and showing us all that fucking love. That's right, Pedro! Where my fucking Latinos at, my Hispanic? Make some fucking noise! Yeah, we're living in some crazy ass motherfucking times, huh? Make some fucking noise! Make some noise! Que viva pinche México, homie. Right. Where's that shit out of proud, homie? Hey, bro. Desmadre is here for all our Latino Hispanic brothers. So make some fucking noise. Hey, we're in New York, Boricua. Where you at? Make some fucking noise. That's right, make some fucking noise. Let me fucking hear you. Boricua, America. Hey, that shit hits, huh? That's what I'm talking about. Ooh. If y'all know this song, I want to see y'all get the fuck up here. Jump off this fucking stage. Make this security work. Let's have some fun. Fucking good, brother. It's our first time out here in the East Coast. I appreciate y'all showing nothing but love. So much love to all y'all. Much love to our brothers and everybody gets here. Terror Avenue, make some fucking noise. It's a fucking honor to be out here. New York is motherfucking legendary, so this is an honor. We got shit carried, crown of thorns. Everybody gets fucking hurt. You know what the fucking time it is.
Fucking Ramones, baby.
Yeah, motherfucking. Hey, look. Shout out to Los Tigres del Norte for getting the Oh! Hey, y'all know this one, right? Y'all know this? You know this? Let me hear you. Make some fucking noise. Such a lovely day.